Having trouble with dev error 12502 and MW3 on your PS4 or PS5? Don't worry, this error is fixable with some advanced troubleshooting steps. First, restart your console and router. Power cycle your PS4 or PS5 and router. Turn them off completely, wait for about 30 seconds, and turn them back on. This can resolve temporary network glitches. Step 2. Check for game and system updates. Go to the game library, select MW3, and check for any available updates. For system updates, navigate to Settings, then System Software Update. Step 3. Configure DNS settings. Simply go to Settings, and then press Network. Press Set up your internet connection. You should choose Wi-Fi or LAN, then select Custom for IP address settings. Set DNS to manual and use Google's DNS servers, such as the primary, with 4 8s and dots, and secondary, which is 8.8.4.4. Step 4. You can check NAT type and open ports. Verify your NAT or NAT type. For optimal gaming, you should have NAT type 1 or open, or NAT type 2, which is moderate. If you have NAT type 3, which is strict, you might need to configure port forwarding on your router. The ports typically used by MW3 are TCP 3074,27015 and UDP, which is 3074,27000, then dash and 27030. Access your router settings and set up port forwarding for these ports. You can also clear cache and rebuild database. Power off your console, then boot it in safe mode by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect the controller via USB and select Rebuild Database. This can help resolve file and cache issues. Another step you can do is verify server status and report issues. Check the official Activision support or server status pages for any ongoing outages or maintenance. If the servers are up and running, but you're still facing issues, consider reporting the problem to Activision support with detailed information. As a last resort, try reinstalling the game. Delete MW3 from your console, then reinstall it from the disk or your library. This can resolve issues related to corrupted game files. By following these advanced steps, you should be able to tackle dev error 12502 and get back to gaming. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting steps.